Okay, so we're at one of our lay berths over in Gowanus, and we've got a big blow coming, the remains of a hurricane coming, so we're moving barges from one dock to another where they might be a little bit better protected. So the guys are letting the lines go up there, and we're hoping to not get tangled up in the traffic jam. If you look at the chart plotter, you can see one guy's turning, he's got a 50 there, we've got a 50 here, and these guys have a 50 here. And we're all trying to, oh wait a minute, not him, this guy over here. So I guess he's backing up. I was gonna go by him, but I guess he doesn't want to go out. So well, that'll work. We'll make it work. Security call Doug Elk River. Doing a local shift in Gowanus from Henry Street over to 39th Street.
You want this one, Jeff?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
For you.
Good deal.
Get some styles and get up here.
Say that again?
We're going to toss lines off for the style too. I don't know if you want to do that first. Break this up now and drop these for us.
All right. All right, well, yeah, let me get out of here first.
I don't know if you're going to drop these notes, but we need it.
Hey, Dalton, are we all done?
No, that was me just saying we got 3 or 4 lines left. We're waiting for Edwin to get up here.
Oh, okay, very good. So a little bit of confusion, but, it'll work out.
You got a long lead on that one spot, you put out any kind of fire on the bow, or is that not going to fall out?
Test my rudder.
You need a bump around coming out of there, Tim, or you want me to just go over to the gun?
I think I'm going to be fine. So, yeah, you let his lines go, run over and help me out real quick.
I'll tell you what, I'll get you first and come back and let him go and then the boat won't get his, I got to get his lines.
All right, very good. So this guy here on the chart plotter, he's going to run around. He has to put a guy on the dock to let lines go and put a guy on the dock down here where we're going over here. So he's going to be running around doing that. And I have to make sure I don't hit this guy and have or land on that guy or have that guy come and land on us. Hey, we all good up there?
Last one's coming in now.
All right.
I'll say I like that, like, hold on.
All of us seem to be a little bit on edge right now. We all know that time is of essence. We've got a lull right now. The wind isn't blowing too hard, and we all want to get everything done before the wind starts blowing. That's usually when things start going slow. All right, I see that last line coming in.
All lines are in.
All right, here we go. So I'm going to start backing up pretty hard.
Put line on the bow.
Very good.
Slowly lift it off the field. Move line on the bow. 5. Down, 10.
Very good. 1755 underway.
1755. Are we going to the bulkhead or alongside a barge over there, 39th Street?
We're going to the bulkhead.
Copy that. Is there going to be somebody there for lines?
Yeah, the Hunting Creek is dropping somebody off right now.
Cool.
Okay, so you just saw I put my rudder hard over the port, and the thing wants to go the wrong way. So I'm coming back at 5 knots, which is really kind of screaming. I need to get this thing rotating counterclockwise. There, it's just starting to move now. Traffic from the Elk River, we're underway at this time. Very good, thank you. Okay, so I got to pay attention here. I'm still coming back at 3.5 knots. And I usually like to go right where that other boat is, but he's there now, so I can't go there, over here. So what I'm going to do is to start spinning this thing before I run out of water behind me. So I bring the rudder kind of slipped a little bit with all that horsepower coming out against it. There we go, she's moving now. Now she's moving so good I can keep backing up now so that I don't run into anything. There's some shallow water up ahead of me. We'll be fine because the barge is light. But good opportunity for me to back up there. Unfortunately, the radio channels have gotten really congested lately. And when we came back to the boat, the other crew had been working this one particular channel, and just out of habit, we stayed with whatever they were working on. And it seems as though fire, police, and EMS have been bleeding over onto this channel. You have to turn up the volume real high so I can hear the guys out on deck. Of course, when I do that, when the EMS tones go off, it gets pretty loud and frustrating in here. But I guess it'd be more frustrating if they were coming for me. So I guess I'm on the right end of that equation. So I'm going to straighten out my rudder, let the momentum carry us around to the left a little bit. As soon as I clear the corner there, it looks like we're clear to start giving it headway, a little bit of counter rudder, and that headway should straighten us out as well. You can see on the camera there, black stacking it there for a minute, putting the hammer down, trying to get some weight on this big nasty barge here. So that tug up there that's just leaving, he just put the guy up there on the left-hand side, he just put one of his men on the dock to catch lines for us. We don't always do that, but this particular dock has great big Yokohamas, ship Yokohamas. So when you get alongside, even though you're alongside the dock, you're about almost 8 feet off of the dock. So throwing a big line from a barge that's 25, 30 feet in the air down, it can get pretty hard to do. So he's put a man on there to help us out. So that's going to be great. Matt, you still on this one?
Yeah, I just got to wait for somebody to hold the line. Alright, what you need? Goodbye up here. Hey, Tim.
Oh, no, just telling you I was going to start turning in there and didn't know if, I don't know, the way the wind's going right here. You guys want to put up a line as long as I have you here, just so I don't go crashing into the dock over there?
Put my guy in the dock. See if anybody's up down here.
I don't know.
Very close to 40.
Sometimes communication here. It's alright, if we have to do this alone we can, but
I can hang out on this side and hold up. The other deck can't sit and shower. And the one's on the dock.
oh, I see what you're talking about. I didn't know what you were saying. Yeah, alright, no problem. No, yeah, don't worry about it, man. Go over and help out Curtis. Are you really not even gonna do that because your man is still over there? Alright, no problem, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna let George go and then help the Kokomo kid. So I can hang out on either side. You want me on this side to hold you up or on that side to hold you up?
Yeah, just hang out on your side over there, just in case, you know, where it's missing the last Yokohama over there. I get kind of wiggy going over there. That if I get any sideways movement there, I get worried that if that it might touch up over there. So yeah, if you could catch the corner if I start sliding that way. I'm gonna try to make sure that that's not gonna be an issue, but you can be a plan B for me.
I'll get right off the end of the dock here.
Yeah, perfect.
Right in with you and then peel off the
Yeah, no doubt. Jason, I might need you to come over here. Why don't you come over here and give me a hand? I'm hooked up hard over. She's not wanting to turn into the wind. I'm getting it slowly but surely.
parallel with the underneath the rod.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Okay, so you were saying we should have done this an hour earlier. That's where I was saying all of us are a little antsy about, you know, the wind's coming. So this guy that's coming to give us a hand here, those that follow the channel, any of you that remember seeing our trip into Newtown Creek, that's where it was. I didn't have trips in there. That's Captain Bombster, and he came over and gave us a push over, or was our pilot going in there, and he's going to come over and help us today as well. So if you look at on the chart plotter, you can see that I'm aiming this way, but all my movement is exactly 90 degrees. You know, I'm sliding down all the time, so that's why I'm having him set up.
Other side for a minute, give you a little push sideways.
No, actually just keep coming like you are and just kind of hang out there. You don't have to hit anything yet. I think I've got it. I'm going to start sliding forward, but if I start taking a dive in there, I'll have you come give me a bump.
Okay.
Okay, so that red line's going back now. That means I'm going the wrong way, so I'm going to start easing into the dock. Now I'm giving myself a ton of room because I know that I'm going to be going sideways. If you kind of look at the chart here, you can see I'm not aiming for the point. I'm aiming all the way over here, trying to get way up in here because I'm going to be setting down that way. And I want to set on those big fenders, those big Yokohamas.
Are you coming out?
Dalton, just be aware that when we get up in there, you're going to have to land me flat on those Yokohamas. Do not let my stern land first because of the missing Yokohama back at the end of the dock.
Yep, copy that, I got you.
Very good. Even if we got to land first with a bow, that's fine as long as you get me on a Yoki.
Yep, I'll keep a good eye on you, I got it.
Alright, I'm going real high right now because I know that I'm going to be blowing down that way anyway, so I'm just kind of taking my time. So it looks probably static and pristine from your vantage point, but this is kind of messed up. And what I mean by that is you can see the bows falling over. We're sliding sideways all the time, and I got to get up there. But this is such a big barge. This is not a regular bunker barge. It's a 50 that I can't go flying up there, because if I go flying up there, I will not be able to stop the barge.
Before you see that, we'll start coming abreast to the end of the dock.
All right, and remember, this thing stops real slow, so make sure that I don't run into that other boat there.
Yeah, I got you. Coming abreast to the end of the dock. 120 wide, couple of inches slow. 35 ahead for that first Yokohama. About 200 ahead to that ferry boat up there.
All right, I'm just coasting now.
Coverage on the first Yokohama. Coming into 90. 150 ahead to the ferry. 90 wide coming into 80. 80 on the bow coming into 70. 70 on the bow coming into 60.
All right, it's only going to be the Yokies that are going to stop me, so make sure I land on Yokies.
Yeah, roger that. 60 on the bow. Stern's off a little bit more. 50 on the bow coming into 45.
How much to the boat ahead of us?
Steady, 60 ahead. 40 wide coming into 35.
Okay, I'm starting to back. Hooked up.
35 wide on the bow coming into 30. 45 on the bow, 50 ahead. 40 ahead, 20 wide coming into 18. Bows in between two Yoki here, 50 wide coming into 15. Got 40 ahead coming up to 30. 10 wide coming into 8 on the bow. 6 on the bow coming in to land up on a Yokohama. 6 wide coming into 5.
Nice.
3.
Work.
Touching up on the Yokohama now.
Now I got to set the rudder the other way to make sure
the line out.
I don't start flying into the dock sideways.
Alright, we got about 20 ahead, so we can get a line.
All right, so if I stop you right here, you're good with that, right?
Yeah, we're just trying to get a heat line down to them. Right now, we're 3 wide on the bow. Stern's taking off the bow, 20.
All right, cool. So I'm gonna stop, let the wind hold us here. Thank you, Matt.
Come right around the other side. If you need to, let me know. Push it.
Yeah, no, I think we should. The wind's gonna hold us right tight to the dock, so I think we'll be fine. Woo! That gets your adrenaline up. So I was lucky. As we got up there, I was backing, and I just happened to back, I think it was just dumb luck on my part that I was backing up the right amount so that I was slow enough that I could come ahead and twist with my starboard engine.
Alright, line's going across now. As soon as we get
Just
secure,
slow.
we'll wrap it up.
Very good, thank you.
We're touching off on the bow, about 12 of them is there.
Because what I want to do is right before I hit, because we're going to the right so fast, I want to snap the bow to the left. The only problem with doing that is that 2 things will happen.
Alright,
One,
port spring is secure. We're wrapping it up now.
very good, I'm going to start driving into it.
Copy that. We'll line on the bow, so 12 is there.
So 2 things happen when I do that last minute left twist. One is it pushes me ahead, and second is the stern comes over. And both of those things are very dangerous in this situation because I've got a derelict boat up ahead of me that I don't want to run into. And on the stern, we're missing.
Our port spring is on tight, 3 wide on the bow, 10 on the stern, so it's all the way down.
All right, she's coming over now. And so then
Put on the bow, 8 on the stern.
the stern is missing a couple of fenders back here. So
Touching up on the bow
if
here.
the stern went into the dock, it would hit cement and not the fenders. So like I said, I don't know how it looked on camera, but I'm pretty proud of myself. That isn't skill. That's just there by the grace of God I go. I got lucky on that one. But whoo! Looks like we lost. The battery finally failed on the one looking at the chart plotter. But anyway, that's the excitement. Luckily, there was nothing bad that could be that they have to review in court. Thank you for coming along. Hope that you all fared as well, if not better, during the tail end of this first hurricane of the year. And you guys be safe, and I'll see you on the one.